Yeah, so we are planning to write May examination. Okay, so May examination we have to start at least 3 months before the examination. So 3 months when you are writing for the first time, actually you will be having much confidence compared to writing the second time. Okay, some people are thinking like second time people will be having more confidence. No, actually that's wrong. Second time people are having some frustration, depression, because just now they closed the book, again they are opening the same book. Okay, so first time people will be having more confidence. Okay, and when you are writing for the first time, you should make sure that you are passing at that time itself. This should not be an experimental time. Can you able to understand? Like, no sir, I will write this as a mock test. Do not experiment the first time like that. First time is the best time. You have to complete in the first time itself. It should not be tried as a mock. See, some people will say, do not leave any attempt, just go and try. No, just see how the paper is. I will tell you, no second time the same type of paper will come. That means if you are writing this time, next time you cannot expect this kind of paper. Okay, so it's writing CA exam is not a joke or not a try. When you are preparing, you should prepare as if it's a main exam only. This is not a mock exam for you, and give 100%. So for example, for May examination you should start from February. So how many hours I should study per subject? For FR you have to study self study 100 hours, self study 100 hours, SFM self study 100 hours, law self study 40 hours, auditing self study 40 hours. This is apart from the class. This is nothing to do with the class. Class is separate. So for example, FR, you would have attended class for 130, 140 hours. SFM 130, 140 hours class. But SFM and FR, you have to do more self-study. Okay, since you attended law class with me, the self-study time for law can be substantially less. So normal people have to do 40 hours self-study after the class, but you people have to do only 25 hours self-study. That's enough. But the 25 hours also it should not be continuous. Weekly 6 hours. Okay, 2 chapters you have to take every week. 2 chapters or 3 chapters, depend on, like, 16 to 20 marks you have to take at a time, and you have to complete it within 1 month. So 6 hours a week, 4 weeks, somewhere around 25 hours, because you already completed law recently. So our class we completed recently. For auditing, you should study hard, because auditing, it's not about writing the answer, it's how you are writing the answer. Because everyone know auditing, but no one gets more than 60. Very, very tough. Crossing 55 itself is tough in auditing, even with MCQ. Seriously, I'm telling. So auditing, you have to work hard for that. The pattern you should understand, expectation you should understand. See, first you should concentrate the first group. Okay, because once you concentrate the first group, 20 days, 23 days you can take for the first group. So February 1 if you start, by February 23 you should have completed the first group. Okay, then you start second group. First complete the first group thoroughly. You complete the first group. First group, all the 4 subjects you should take. See, for example, today you have to take FR and law, tomorrow SFM and auditing. 6 hours and 6 hours, 12 hours you have to study. So morning to afternoon one subject, afternoon to night another subject. 12 hours you have to study. That means only if you are awake for 15 to 16 hours you can study for 12 hours. So you have to plan your day, when I have to wake up, when I have to sleep. Not everyone can wake up in the early morning, not everyone can sleep at late night. So you have to plan the day. One fixed plan will not work for all, that you should understand. For example, Kirtana, okay, she is getting up at 4:35. Karunya is getting up 6:55. So there is a difference between Kirtana and Karunya. Karunya can, no, she can wake up till 2 o'clock in the midnight. Kirtana will sleep at 11 o'clock. So that is the difference. Okay, some people will have a day sleep also. Like, no, sir, after lunch, you have to sleep. Kind of. And the summer is going to come. Okay, it's going to be hot, hotter, hottest. So you should plan the day accordingly. Like, no, at what time I'll be studying, what time I'll be sleeping. You see, hot summer, like, you will get more sleep. As a summer comedy. Sure, 2:30, 3 o'clock, you will get a sleep. If you are at home, obviously we'll be at home. So every Saturday and Sunday or every Friday and Sunday, you have to write test. Weekly, 3 subjects you have to write test. So you have to subscribe for our test series. Weekly 3 tests you have to write. FR, SFM auditing, mandatory test. So FR, you have to take test on Friday. Sunday, another 2 tests. Morning SFM, evening auditing. FR, you have to take Friday evening. So Friday evening 2 to 4 FR test. After finishing FR test, revise. So Monday to Thursday you have to study. Till Friday afternoon also you can study. Then Friday one test. Then revise SFM on auditing on Saturday. Again write test on Sunday. By doing this, you are getting out of the fear of examination. So whoever does like this, they will get out of the fear of examination. See, you need not be thorough in the subjects which you are writing test. At least 75% of the portion if you complete also in that test itself. For example, you are getting 3 chapters, but only you have studied 2.5 chapters. Still half chapter is there. Don't worry, write the test. First, you are going to come out of the fear. Once you come out of the fear, you can face the exam with the, what I can say, that anxiety, excitement won't be there. With the courage, you can face the examination. So once you, in that scenario, what happens? Like, chapter wise portion. I'm telling you, Udaya, it's a chapter wise portion. It's not full portion. Like every week, you will be writing 3 chapters. Like, you have to split the total portions. We will be splitting. Actually, we have done all the exercise. We will split the total portions into 6 to 7 test series. Like how you have written your law exam. Law test you have written. No, 8 tests you have written. So that means 7 you have written, 1 you have to write. Maybe like after 2-3 days you will be writing that last test. So totally 8 tests you will be writing. See, full test you have to write only thorough preparation. Full test cannot be written hanky panky. Full test வந்துட்டு எக்ஸாமுக்கு ஒரு 25 days before you have to write. Okay, but chapter wise test then and there you should write. Chapter wise test, like even if you are not confident enough for the full 100% of that chapter, you have to write the test. And whatever chapter you are already thorough, if you are going wrong in that test, make sure that you are finishing that within that week. For example, after writing Sunday test itself, you will be knowing. After writing Friday test itself, you will be knowing where I am standing in this portion. So what I have to do immediately, I have to open the book, I have to read it again. Okay, these are the areas I thought I am confident, but actually I am not confident. So again, I have to read. And for one group, you have to plan 23 days, not more than that. 20 to 23 days. That's all is available for us because you have only 3 months time. Okay, first 20 days, first group, second 20 days, second group. So almost 45 days, 40 to 45 days, it will go. Another 15 days is to revise the both first group and second group. Okay, 15 to 20 days maximum. After that, that full under marks examination, you should start writing. Okay, if you do this only, you will be studying. Otherwise, it's very difficult for writing the May examination. See, go with 100% preparation. If you are losing the confidence somewhere, immediately call me. Sir, somewhere I am losing my confidence. What to do? Some people plan to write both the groups, but they will lose the confidence. They will write one group. I will tell you what happens. Again, the system will continue. If you are writing only one group, and if you are not even having confidence of passing that group, then you will wait for the result to come. Adla or 2.5 months will go. Then after results, crying or 10 days will go. Again, when you are trying to open the book, all the pages you would have already marked. So you yourself like, hey, just now I completed this, man. Kind of. Other way, see, when you are reading the book for 3 hours, only 1.5 hours you are concentrating in that. So focus will go. Can you able to understand? So first time itself, try for both groups and finish it. Write both groups. Who knows? Sometimes aggregate will carry forward. If you are preparing yourself for only one group, what you have done for 2.5 years, I'm questioning you. So you are just wasted it. Plan 3 months properly, execute the plan. Nothing will happen overnight. You have like time, but time should be properly planned. Today it's a very, what I can say, high time to start, because we have hardly 5 days, because February will come exact 3 months. See, any CA student, if you ask across the India, the last 3 months before the exam is very much important. Even if you wasted 2.5 years previously, this 3 months, if you concentrate, it's enough. Because this is the pattern followed for years. Because when we are studying, we will get only 2.5 to 3 months leave for writing all the 8 subjects. And we did it. We proved it. Okay. See, I will tell you, CA is full of confidence level. They will try to first break your confidence. In exam, the first compulsory question will be tough. But it's not the entire paper. The hardness level in the first question is not the throughout paper. Second or third question will be actually easy. But the problem is the confidence level which you are having, it will get break once you see the first question. Once you see the pattern, see, you would have expected one pattern of question. They will try to break that pattern. Every question paper, every time they are going for an unpredictable question paper. Last time SFM, people touched SFM paper, they lost their confidence. Even though law and auditing can be okay, like they could have scored. But after touching SFM, when they touch the third paper, that is auditing, SFM is keep running in their mind. Still, the hangover is 1.5 days. It's not after the 3 hours the hangover will go. No, not like that. So the SFM thing, like for example, SFM paper for November 20 examination, it's like it's a song which is keep on ringing in your mind. Ayyo, I didn't do SFM paper. Ayyo, I didn't do SFM. So, and the problem will happen. We should know how to cut short that problem. So when you start writing many tests every week, when you're writing 2-3 tests, you know how to come out of that. Like when we say we had a very bad day in articleship, one day is very bad, September time. Okay, we could have filed so much of return, but we didn't file that much returns, etc. But you should know how to cut short and come out from that, correct? Like that work-life balance. See, for the example, that day your mom's birthday. Your mom told, hey, at least come early today, we will go to temple. Okay, you are trying to come early, but it's not happening. Office pressure is there. Office tension is there. We people are thinking if we are not there, the office itself will get closed. Our CA partner, he will come to road. That's how we will be thinking, no, the office itself will get closed. That's how we will be carrying the firm on our shoulder. Correct? For 3,000 rupees stipend, okay, the bill will be 3 crores. That is different. But no, how we will be thinking for the 3,000 rupees stipend, we will be carrying the firm on our shoulder. And how the thinking process will be, if we are not there in the office that day, the entire office for the past 100 years, it's growing. No, everything will be shut down and everyone will come to road. That's the hype they created, and also we believed. Now doctor, we believed like that. That is only for the September month. Correct? And the 1 month, everyone will get that injection. Bahubali injection. But the same injection, you have to put again now, this 3 months. This 3 months is for you, for your family. Yes, You have done the great work. September, October, November, December, everyone worked hard. Okay, Bala Ganesh and the Bala Yogesh and all told, sir, my firm, sir, my soul, sir, every day only 12 a.m. I will start from my firm, sir. 2 a.m. only I will come, sir. That is the reason I am not studying tester, I am not writing test. Okay, very good. You are a very good article assistant. Hats off. But if you are not concentrating with the same focus, if you are not concentrating for your life for this 3 months, then question mark. Your hard work for past years will be questioned. Your mark only is going to judge you. Who are you? See, if you fail, none of the partners who took your work for past 2.5 years, none of the partners going to come and console you. Yeah, I understand, I understand the feeling. How many of your partners going to call you and share your feelings? Huh? No one. 2.5 years you worked for them. Okay, it's over. Now it's time for you. Say they didn't allow you for classes. Even if it is early morning classes and late evening classes, they didn't allow you. Correct? Most of the people, whenever you tell that you applied for the classes, they will make sure you are not going to attend the class. That is the reason most of the people, they will not tell the office that they are attending classes. They are called principal. They are called principal. But principal should teach. Correct? They should teach FR. They should teach SFM. It's called principal and student relationship. It's not employer-employee relationship. Correct? But so many people are thinking it's an employer-employee relationship. Ask yourself what your principal taught you, which has helped you in the examination. In my office, at least 2 partners helped me in that. I worked hard, but they told, Krishnan, 3 months we will not disturb you. But after that also 10 days they disturbed. So strictly speaking, it is less than 3 months only. 74 days leave they gave me. But no, when I opened my law paper, almost 60% what I have seen in my office only is there in law paper. When I open my auditing book, almost 40% of what I have seen in practical is there in auditing book. When I open my DT book, almost 20-25% what I have seen is there in the DT book. So the exposure what I've got in my office is mostly similar to the examination, but not every office has given that opportunity. I have done audit, I have done law compliance, I have done DT. IDT, I don't know anything. Nothing I know in IDT. ISCA 0. For you, it's not there. But why I'm telling all these things? Because this 3 months is very important. If you have not got the exposure, enough exposure, then you have to study. If you are wasting this 3 months, or if you are lethargic, if you are like having a procrastination attitude, gone case you are. Once fail, it will give you depression, frustration, everything. Don't taste it, sir. Only if we touch the fire, we will understand the heat. Fire will give you burn. It is not necessary that you should touch it and feel it. Somebody is already touching, they are shaking their hands. You want to, that is enough. Seeing that is understand their pain. Okay, bitter God is bitter. That's all. It's not necessary that you should feel it. Somebody is feel. Cyanide taste. Don't try to taste it to find the taste. It will kill you. Like that, failure, don't try to taste it. It is bitter. People will say failure is a stepping stone for success. Don't fail in CA. Plan your day, Pakala. Okay. See, after everything, after proper planning, after proper studying, after proper execution, if you fail, then you can say planning is a stepping stone for success. That's called fate. If you have not planned properly, if you have not executed properly, then if you fail, that is not fate. That is pakka your problem. See, for audit, within 1 week, we are completing that big branch of the bank. Correct? Even during Corona, people went and did some branches audit. I seen in April, May month, some people went and did bank audit, even during the hot corona period. Correct இல்லையா? அந்த டைம்ல எக்ஸாம் வச்சா no one will go. ஐயோ corona, how can I write exam? But bank audit people did. I know personally. Some branches they did audit. So that much dedication you are having towards your work, but that much dedication you are not having towards your studies. It's for you and your family. If you are going to pass, your family going to be happy. 8 lakh rupees package is ready. You should come and take it. In industry, people are waiting for a CAs. See, I'm not telling it's 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs. I'm telling it's 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs is affordable by many industry, and they are waiting for a CAs. Freshers, they are waiting for you. So 8 lakhs is, just imagine, after your father's 20-25 years of experience, your father is getting yearly salary of 8 lakhs. And you, at the age of 22, you are going to get 8 lakhs. Just imagine, if you are a girl, if you earn for 3 years, that's enough for your marriage. Correct? So your father's hard-earned savings, you need not touch it. Because if he spent all his hard-earned savings for past 20 years, if he is going to invest on you, on your marriage, what is going to be there for him? Because he has to lead his life for another 20-25 years, right, with your mother. And if you have a sister, again, he has to spend for her studies. And the age itself, now itself, it's like 55 years approximately. So how many more years he can earn? 5 more years only he can earn. So out of the 5 years, 3 years, your sister, if he is studying, the money will go towards her and for her marriage. So imagine if you are a girl and if you can earn 8 to 10 lakhs in this 3 years, if you can save the money, can you able to understand, Subhashini? Okay, so what happens now? You are saving a huge burden. See, I'm not telling it's for girls alone, but society in which we are living, the expectation is the girl's family to spend, right? So we should not talk something which is not there in the society. What I'm seeing practically only I'm telling. See, there are some boys who are taking 50%. Okay, there are some boys who are doing that. There are some boys who don't expect the girl's family to do anything. But we don't know. We have to prepare ourselves for the worst case scenario always. I'm not saying think negative. No, prepare yourself for that. And if you, for example, if you have a bank saving of 30 lakh rupees, and the boy you are going to get married, he is also first generation person. Like, no, his father is not having such money. He is also started earning now only. So he is having some 40 lakh savings in his bank account, and you are having 30 lakh saving in your bank account. You can buy an apartment, so that no, you can be free from this rent problems for next few years, and you can concentrate on your daily life instead of running towards the EMI. Can you able to understand? See, if you plan to buy an apartment with very less amount of loan, say maximum 20 lakh loans you are going to take, that's enough. Don't take like 40-45 lakhs loan, then lifelong you will be paying EMI. See, when you want to take a exit from the daily work, you cannot do, because if you have EMI. If you have no loans, no, you can take an exit. Okay, next 1 year I'm not going to do anything. Seriously, I'm telling you, people are doing like that. If they worked hard for 4 years, for 6 to 7 months they are just exit. They are shifting the job, but they are not going for job. They are resigning from the job. 6 months they are not doing anything, because they worked hard for so long years. Because you people from the age of 17 you started working, like 17 you entered CA. Till now you didn't do any enjoyment. Think yourself, when I last enjoyed pathina அப்படியா இல்லையே மறந்து போச்சு சார். See, that you are not cherished anything in this few years in CA. You lost the charm. நல்லா சிரிச்சி ஒரு 1 week நல்லா சிரிச்சி எதுவும் மறந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ண எப்போ யோசி. when I was like that last ஒரு 1 week, 1 day எல்லாம் இல்ல, 1 day விட்டுடு, ஒரு 1 week வந்துட்டு என்ஜாய்னா என்ஜாய். அந்த பிஇ படிச்சவன் எல்லாம் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவான் பாரு. பிஇ படிச்சவன், அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த சாதனா படுவேன் பிகாம் பர்சன்ஸ்லாம் இருக்காங்க பாரு, அந்த மாதிரி அந்த என்ஜாய்மெண்ட் இருக்கு பாரு. இந்த நிறைய சிம்பு பிலிம், கௌதம் வாசுதேவ் மேனன் பிலிம்லாம், சார் ஒரு ட்ரிப்பு அப்படியே போனோம் சார், ஒரு கோவா ட்ரிப்பு, ஒரு ஜம்மு காஷ்மீர் ட்ரிப்பு. இல்லையே, கோவா போனா கூட ஆடிட்டு தானே கூட்டு போயிருப்பாங்க. ஓகே, ஐ எம் telling you. So we lost the charm, we lost that thing, etc. I know people after CA, they just do nothing. 3 months சொல்லுவான், சார் என் லைஃப் யூத்தே போச்சு, the youth இருக்குல்ல, அந்த யூத் அதே போச்சு. So 3 months don't ask me to do anything, I'm not going to apply. அப்படி சொன்னா ஒருத்தன். ஓகே, January got result last year, I still remember. January got result, he told, sir, April month I will join the job. Okay, so he started enjoying his life, he started enjoying. March 16th lockdown came, March like around 20th. Okay, and all the company closed, no vacancy till July. Seriously, I'm telling you, till July no vacancy. He was like feeling, but okay, but at least for his life he has saved some memories. That 2 months he saved a lot of memories. I am telling you, you people also do like that. See, for him it's like a one time problem. Okay, it's gone. Now he got a very good job, he is placed well, 8 lakhs 8.5 lakhs salary, he is placed well. Why I am telling this? Because sometimes your mom and dad will tell, hey, if you start enjoying after CA, you will not get a good job. CA ku always there is a good job. It's about your attitude and the knowledge you possess and the courageousness. Hey, I will get the job. Jobs are enough jobs are there. Some people will try to negotiate with you, like, no, why I should pay 8 lakhs, I will pay only 6.5 lakhs. There are people from Andhra, there are people from Karnataka who are ready to come and work here, and I will be paying only 6.5 lakhs. Why I have to pay you 8 lakhs? You have to prove your skill, why they should pay you 8 lakhs. And the attitude இருக்கணும். You should not, okay sir, and then you please give me 6.5 lakhs, that's enough sir. If you be like that, then it's not going to work. You should like, no, see, my worth is this, I know my worth, I cannot understand myself. You should tell like that, and you should have that courage and knowledge to tell that, sir, you ask me anything, I can save you more compliance cost, I can give you a proper tax planning. Don't go for normal income tax, come for 115BA, you can save the tax. If the company is trying to start a new venture, thinking about a partnership firm, you should tell, hey, partnership firm 30% tax, company 22-25% than tax, come here. The 5% tax you can save. 5% of the total amount of 1 crore rupees profit is how much? 5 lakh rupees. So you can say, andamari, see, tax planning, these are simple tax planning. I'm not telling big tax planning. If they're trying to bring in equity, you can tell, hey, don't try to bring in equity, you try to bring in as debenture or loan, because it's above the line deductible. So like this, some tax planning you should give. And you should tell all these things in the interview itself. Sir, give me an opportunity, I can prove this 1.5 lakh rupees what you are going to save by not bringing me in, you are going to lose in some other way. See, finance people are not actually value adding to the company. Most of the finance people, most of the chartered accountants, they are not actually value adding. That is the reason MBAs are paid high. Just imagine, do you think MBAs are much more knowledgeable than us? Chanceless. See, in the 3 years of articleship, you learned Excel skills, PowerPoint skills also you know. Okay, then you know in and out of accounts, in and out of financial reporting. This and all you cannot expect from MBA. But MBA way of thinking and attitude is different from you. The way of thinking, they always think big. And the attitude, if you see, they will think, I am the top. We people, the attitude is the problem. We think ourselves lesser than them. But I can bank on any person, like, no, I am bigger than MBA. Let it come to marketing, I am greater than them. Let it come to attracting towards my company, I am greater than them. Let me come to presentation, I am greater than them. Like, no, that attitude, and you should prove yourself. See, MBA people, for them, they get opportunity to prove themselves. For us, we are in the finance field. That's all. Finance. Why can't the CA do HR? I am doing HR. Can't the CA do marketing? I am doing marketing. You can do, because see, I'll tell you, your firm has given you that opportunity. You have spoken to so many people in the client office. From the age of 25 to age of 70, you have spoken to various people. You know at what scenario how the people will behave. In your firm, you handled politics between one partner and another partner, between audit managers, between the article assistants, girls, boys. You know how to live in the society. In these 3 years, they got trained. You got trained. So you are much greater than any other person. But we should prove ourselves to be in the society. See, in your small age, they will decide based on your rank. If Subhashini took first rank, she is great. If Kirtana takes second rank, she is great. But in CA, it's not about the rank, it's about the pass. Pass is enough. Rank comes now, okay, let you take it, but it's not necessary. But in life, people will judge you two things. One is money, another one is character. Both you should have. Money also you should have, character also you should have. Okay, this is not substitute. This is this or that illa. This and that. For example, if I am putting Hawaii chapel and walking in the road, having 1 lakh rupees cash in my pocket, people will say, simple ra, Christian, simplicity da. 1 lakh rupees should be in your pocket. Bank balance la, much money is there, but you are walking with Hawaii chapel. How the simplicity. 10 rupees in your pocket and walking in Hawaii chapel, status, poor. Can you able to understand? So if you are having enough money, but you are doing way of simple life, then it's called simplicity. Otherwise, it's just poor, middle class. Okay. Other problem. In the society, they are having that problem. In your money, they are deciding everything. Obviously, the second thing is character. How much ever money you have. See, I'll tell you, eating a good rice is a dream for me 13, 14 years back. It's not like too long and all. 13 years back. Okay. Eating a good rice. Basmati rice and all, it's something where I can get only in the Kalyanam. Okay, during the Muhurtam time, reception, they will put biryani, no. See, I eat only vegetable biryani. So, on the time, the reception, I was like fond of eating. அப்போ எனக்கு சாப்பிட பிடிக்கும். அது ஒரு time 13 years before. Today, even if you have daily biryani, I will say I am in diet. See, why that change happened? Because of this 2-letter CA. போதும் போதும்ன்ற அளவுக்கு மணி கொட்டும். See, அது வரைக்கும் நீ உழைக்கணும். 15-16 hours you should work hard. See, my mom used to tell, போதும்டா சம்பாதிச்சது ரெஸ்ட் எடுறான்றாங்க. I am telling you seriously. Because no, every day night I have to do book work. Day in and day out, something or other happening. FCRA amendment, other amendment, either amendment, GST. So something or other happening. Either we have to learn and we have to type, or at least study and get it ready. Other ROC work, income tax work, something or other will come. NCLT. Yesterday I won an NCLT case. Strike off company got recovered. It's from August. From August, the hearing is happening. Every month, one hearing. I thought I lost the case, but God's grace, they gave a favor order to me. See, with fine only 1.5 lakh rupees, fine they put, but not an issue. Because the asset in the company is 150 crores, not 1 rupee, 2 rupee. 150 crore land is there. Hot city in the land. Okay. See, the company is not, I can say, it's not a great company. They lost all it's a textile based company. They lost everything, but they have land now. Turnover illa. So they didn't file anything. ROC file panla, income tax file panla. So the company lost its charm, so they got striked off. But today the land opportunity is there. Somebody is there to buy the land. You know, right? The Billy Mills, no land irundhuchu. Porshavaga side la. The shooting la kuda you could have seen. அதிரடி காரன் மச்ச காரன் அந்த பாட்டுலாம் கூட அந்த பின்னி மில்ஸ்ல தான் they will shoot. அதுல தான் இப்ப SPR சிட்டின்னு there is a big thing. AVM film city இருக்குல்ல, AVM, அந்த AVM studio சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல வடபழனில. What is now today? AVM Astra. It's a big apartment now. That means that film city is now no more. Now they consider apartment in it. Why I'm telling this? Because any company, maybe in earlier years they were doing something different, but today they are in real estate. Today, if the company is not recovered from the strike off thing, we studied no in 248 strike off. If we have didn't recover the company, that's all 150 crores gone. And when the company goes to winding up stage, people will start bidding for a lower value. So 150 crores worth of assets will be sold at 110 crores. That is waste of time, waste of money. But if you spend like 2-3 lakh rupees in professional charges and fines, you can recover the company and sell it at a higher market value. This and all you should tell. When you become a chartered accountant, you should tell, see, sir, there are various scenarios where I can help you. In your company, I just seen your profile, sir. I just searched it in the MCA site. Your director is director in 5 companies. But in 3 companies, he is not very active. I think in one company, you can expect a strike off any day. And if you got the strike off, minimum 2 lakh rupees you will be spending for recovering the company. 60,000 rupees for professional charges, 1.5 lakh rupees fine, plus ROC expenses and all there. Above the table, below the table, etc. If I am there, I can save all these things. So first you have to study hard, pass the examination. Passing in first attempt, lifelong you can tell. Seriously, I'm telling you. So whenever somebody is asking Christian's profile, Christian will tell. AK's Christian passed CA at the age of 21 before even completing the articles. And the passing at the age of 21, 22 in first attempt, some get lifelong. I'm telling you, lifelong. See, it's a school first, waste. Because in the street go school on the chipo. See, in previous days, like 30-40 years before, city itself will have only 40 schools. Ipo, school school. அது ஒரு ரெசிடென்ஷியல் என்ன சொல்றது, அங்க பிளே கிரவுண்ட்லாம் சான்ஸே இல்ல. அது ஏதோ சும்மா ஒரு அபார்ட்மெண்ட் பில்டிங் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. அங்க ஒரு ஸ்கூல் கிரவுண்டே கிடையாது. நம்மலாம் படிக்கும் போது ஸ்கூல்னா ஒரு ஃபுட்பால் கிரவுண்ட் இருக்கணும். ஓகே, ஒரு பெரிய கிரவுண்ட், ஒரு ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லைக் 40-50 people கேன் பிளே அட் த சேம் டைம். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கிரவுண்ட் இருக்கும். இப்ப பாரு, அபார்ட்மெண்ட் பில்டிங்ல ஸ்கூல் எடுக்கிறாங்க. அப்புறம் அந்த பசங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? கேம்ஸா, வீடியோ கேம் விளையாடிக்கும். கிரிக்கெட் தானே, பாரு EA ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் கிரிக்கெட் கேம் இருக்கு, வீடியோ கேம் விளையாடிக்கொண்டான். அதுதான் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா இப்ப எங்க கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடுறது? No, the thing is like you cannot tell that no, I am school first. Adala nothing, because in a street go school. So what you can tell? I passed my CA at this age. Because passing in the early age CA is not going to happen even after 30 years. புரிஞ்சுதா? ஏன்னா 1949ல இருக்கதா இப்பயும் இருக்கு. CA is difficult 1949 also, 2020 also. So CA never became easy thing. So after 30-40 years also it will be difficult only. So you can tell I cracked the CA in the first attempt. IAS எப்ப ஆரம்பிச்சதோ அப்பவே difficult தான். CA like that only. See, I will tell you, I saw the portions of CWA and CA. Almost the same. Almost the same. CS executive, the company law portion is more than CA final. CS oda executive company law portion is more than CA final. But why the name CA is very famous? புரியுதா சொல்றது உனக்கு? Because the toughness in the correction, the toughness in the question paper. அதனால தான் CA கெத்து. Not because of the syllabus or the portion. Their syllabus is equal to or much more than us. But we are high paid person. We are having high respect than them. Why? Because here the pass percentage is less. Can you able to understand? So the thing is created already in the society. We are only reaping the benefits. So what they are doing, they are also trying to imitate what CA did. Now CW also has articleship. CS also has articleship, mandatory now, 15 months. So they are trying to imitate us so that no, it will be on par, maybe in down the line of 5-6 years. They are trying. Can you able to understand? So they are also now having this whatever urine. We are generating urine. No, now they are also started generating urine. As of now, I think CWA doesn't have urine. I think it will come. CS now having urine. Whatever we are doing, they started doing. They have to follow what these people are following, because அப்பதான் அவங்களால ஸ்டேட்டஸ் மேட்ச் பண்ண முடியும். புரிஞ்சுதா? So I'm telling you, work hard like never before, because this is the last time you are going to work hard. It's going to end, right? This journey is going to about to end. This 3 months is what is very important. So just see back 5 years your dedication towards this course, and it's going to be the last 3 months. It's like I can say 1/10 degree. What is 1/10 degree? 1/10 degree means 100 degree la water will start boiling. 1/10 degree la start boiling water வந்து evaporate ஆகும். அந்த evaporation time தான் இது. அப்போ உன்னோட liquid stateல இருந்து vapor stateக்கு மாறுது பாரு, one state to another state. அது அந்த extra 10 degrees தான் நடக்குது. 90 to 100 ல boil தான் ஆகும். But 100 to 110 ல தான் உனக்கு அந்த vapor state மாறும். So அந்த state மாறணும்னா you are in this 3 months. Hard work பண்ணணும். Hard work, smart work. Smart work means writing test. Hard work means studying hard. When you are thinking of having an extra 1 hour sleep, think. For saying you see, morning 6 o'clock when your alarm is ringing, you have to get up. Okay, but you are thinking, let me sleep for another 1 more hour. You think, no, I can sleep sometime later. I had 7 hours sleep, that's enough. ஒன்னு கண்ண முடியல think பண்ணணும். This is the time to work. Only 3 months, no. How many days I worked for this? How many days morning class I went? How many days I disturbed my sleep for tallying the balance sheet, feeling the pressure? It's actually not your pressure, it's your office pressure, but you have taken that. How many days you skipped your classes for the office? How many days you skip your sleep for the classes? So everything அப்படியே வந்து நிக்குது இப்போ இந்த 3 monthsல. இந்த 3 months is what important. Understood? Work hard like never before. This 3 months you should remember for your life. I have my record, what I did during the 2.5 months, 74 days. நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்னு எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு ரெக்கார்ட் இருக்கு. 2011 August 15th I got my exam leave. August 15 to September, October. Yeah, October. Till that time I have a daily record, what I did. 40 days for my first revision, 20 days for my second revision. Then I have written model test and I went for examination. This I have. In the model test also I failed in SFM and AMA. Kodurama fail ana. 36-27. This is my mark. Okay, TG Suresh sir no ortha conduct panna test series. Like no how I am conducting test series. That time he was conducting test series. TG Suresh sir ante Maruti ila they conducted test series. I literally failed. SFM paper கொடுத்தாங்க. பயந்தே போயிட்டேன் அதை பார்த்தோன்னே. First question itself I didn't do anything. Even though I prepared well. Because my faculty, he didn't even take that kind of problems. எனக்கு அது நடத்தினாரான கூட டவுட். ஐயோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரேஞ்சிலே நீங்க நடத்தலையே அப்படின்ட்டு. So the things why I'm telling, because only after writing test and model exam we'll be understanding this. Oh, okay, what kind of questions can come. Hard work, smart work, very important ma. நான் எதுக்கு சொல்றேன், சொல்லி சொல்லி காட்டலாம், லைஃப் லாங் நீ சாவர வரைக்கும் சொல்லி காட்டலாம். இப்படி படிச்சேன் தெரியுமா, நாங்கெல்லாம் அந்த இப்ப கூட சொல்றாங்க பாரு, நாங்கெல்லாம் அந்த காலத்துல சொல்றாங்க தெரியுமா. ஓகே, ஒரு நிறைய காமெடி கூட வரும், அந்த காலத்துல ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க. ஏன்னா அது ஒரு மெமரி, அதை ரெஃப்ரெஷ் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்போம் எவ்ரி டைம். சி நான் சொல்றேன் பாரு, இஃப் சுபாஷினி, கீர்த்தனா ஆர் காரண்யா பிகம் சார்ட்டர் அக்கௌண்டன்ட், அந்த நெய்பர்ஹுட்ல இருக்காங்க பாரு, அதுல அட்லீஸ்ட் 2 to 3 people will get inspired by you. அந்த அக்கா மாதிரி நானும் ஆகணுமா அப்படின்னு ஒரு பொண்ணு சொல்லும். ஐம் சீரியஸ்லி டெல்லிங் யூ. நீ ஃபெயில் ஆயிட்டேன்னு வச்சுக்கோ, 2 தடவை ஃபெயில் ஆயிட்டேன்னா யுவர் நெய்பர்ஹுட்ல ஒரு குட்டி பொண்ணு இருக்கும் பாரு, ஐயோ அந்த அக்கா ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டாங்க, நான் பண்ண மாட்டேமா, அவ்வளவுதான். See, you are the example. உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது, you don't know who is going to take you as a model, who is going to take you as a role model. I see, எனக்கு தெரியாது எவ்வளவு பேர் என்ன ரோல் மாடலா வச்சிருக்காங்கன்னு. I don't know, No one will come and going to tell you, hey Subhashini Akka, I am going to take you as well. But once that girl, after becoming chartered accountant, after like 10 years, she would tell, எங்க வீட்டு பக்கத்துல நாங்க பழைய வீட்டுல இருந்தோம், அந்த வீட்டு பக்கத்துல சுபாஷினி அக்கான்னு ஒருத்தங்க இருந்தாங்க, அவங்க சிஏ முடிச்சாங்க, அப்புறம் கார் வாங்கினாங்க, வீடு வாங்கினாங்க, அப்புறம் கிராண்டா கல்யாணம் பண்ணாங்க, அப்ப முடிவு பண்ண நானும் சிஏ ஆகணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. சீரியஸா இந்த மாதிரி பேசுவாங்க. அது பாக்கிறதுக்கு நீ இருக்க மாட்டேன், மேபி உயிரோட தான் இருப்ப, பட் உங்ககிட்ட வந்து சொல்லாது. புரியுதா சொல்றது? Like no, we have to become role models. I have seen people who earned a lot of money, who got a huge respect in the society. Character. See, for example, the person who give a lot of donation will get a huge respect in the society. But for giving donation, you should have money. இப்ப நீயே 5,000 10,000 சம்பாதிச்சனா எவ்வளவு டொனேஷன் கொடுப்ப? 100 rupees தான் கொடுப்ப. இதே 5 lakh சம்பாதிச்சா 25,000 rupees donation கொடுப்பல்ல. So good people should have good amount of money. Can you able to understand? Good people should have good amount of money. Then only good can spread. வாயிலே வட சுட முடியும், காசு இருக்கணும்ல. Understood? You should earn money. Money earning is a skill. Money spending also is a skill. அத லாவிஷா ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண கூடாது, ப்ராப்பரா ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணணும். So think all these things. See, you have a huge responsibility. You have a huge responsibility. First is your family. Second is for yourself. Third is for the society. See, if you become CA, what will others tell? No, neighbors, ஏன் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பொண்ணு சிஏ முடிச்சிருக்குது, உங்க அப்பா என்ன சொல்றாரு, என் பொண்ணு ஆடிட்டர், எங்க போனாலும் ஒரு இடத்துக்கு போனா அப்படி கெத்த சொல்றாரு, என் பொண்ணு ஆடிட்டர், ஆடிட்டர் வராங்க வழி விடுங்கோ, ஆடிட்டர் வராங்க வழி விடுங்கோ, அந்த மாதிரியே இருக்கும் ஃபீலிங். சீரியஸா சொல்றேன், அப்படியே ஒரு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் கிடைக்கும். See, அது ஆல்ரெடி நமக்கு முன்னாடி இதுக்கு பில்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிட்டாங்க. We should only reap the benefit. Can you put the ancestor of CA, our CA ancestors are there, no? They already built this fraternity. And the respect வந்துரும். ஒரு பிகாம் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இருக்கா சொல்லு? மேபி லைக் ஒரு 40 years before பிகாம் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இருக்கும். 80s 1980sல பிகாம் பா பேங்க், கரெக்டா இல்லையா? இன்னைக்கு அப்படிலாம் ஒண்ணும் இல்லையே. பிகாம்க்குலாம் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இருக்கா? பிஇக்கே ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இல்ல. See, no one know where we studied CA, how we studied CA, but everyone know we are auditor. People are thinking we have did CA from the university. University degree kudukrana nechiranga. So many people will think like that only. No one know, but they know only one thing, to appreciate us. Once you become chartered accountant, everyone will celebrate your success. I'm telling you, everyone will celebrate your success. ஏன் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பொண்ணு ஆடிட்டர், ஏன் அக்கா பொண்ணு ஆடிட்டர், உன் சித்தி சொல்லுவாங்க, என் அக்கா பொண்ணு ஆடிட்டர் ஆயிட்டா, என் அக்கா பொண்ணு ஆடிட்டர் ஆயிட்டா. ஓகே, உன் பெரியப்பா சொல்லுவாரு, என் தம்பி பொண்ணு ஆடிட்டர் ஆயிட்டா. புரியுதா உனக்கு? Everyone will celebrate your success. If you fail, அப்பவே சொன்ன வேணான்னு அவங்கிட்ட, எங்க அக்கிட்ட படிச்சு சொன்ன, எதுக்கா பொண்ண சிஏ படிக்க வைக்கிற? See, I'm telling you, ஃபெயில் ஆனா ஒன்ன பேச மாட்டாங்க, உங்க அப்பாவையும் அம்மாவையும் பேசுவாங்க. எதுக்கு தேவையில்லாத இவ்வளவு பெரிய படிப்பு படிச்சுக்கிட்டு, அதான் தெரியுதுல வர வேணான்னு சொல்லிட்டு, வராதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு, ஸ்கூல்லயே அது ஒழுங்கா படிக்கல, இப்படி பேசுவாங்க. அவ்வளவு நல்லா படிக்கிற பொண்ணே போயிடுச்சா, அப்ப நீ படிக்காத அப்படின்னு அவங்க பொண்ணு சொல்லுவாங்க. So you are responsible for some other's future. If you fail, some other person cannot do CA, because they will tell you, they will show you, pinpoint பண்ணுவாங்க, சுபாஷினி அக்காவை பாரு, அவங்களே பாஸ் பண்ணல அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க அவங்களுக்கு. இதே நீ பாஸ் பண்ணிட்டனா அந்த பொண்ணு சொல்லுவாங்க அம்மாட்ட, அம்மா பேசாம இருமா, சுபாஷினி அக்கா கிட்ட நான் பேசிக்கிறேன், அவங்க எனக்கு டிப்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு that girl will tell. So you are not just responsible for yourself, you are responsible for the society. முச்சிடுன்ற நான் சிஏவை கஷ்டப்பட்டு எப்படியாவது உருண்டு பரண்டு முச்சிடு. ஒரு அட்டெம்ப்ட், ஒரே அட்டெம்ப்ட் தம்சம் பண்றோம். இந்த மாஸ்டர்ல அப்படி வரல மடக்கி விஜய் சேதுபதி குத்துவான் பாரு, ஒரே குத்து தான் நெஞ்சில அப்படியே வஞ்சிருவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரே அட்டெம்ப்ட், ஒரே குத்து. Okay, we'll start. All the best. ஸோ இது என்னோட ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்டாக வச்சுக்கோங்க.